It's another hectic week here at MK Sportscars.
Boy, have we got a New Year's resolution for you.
We visit the workshop for updates on the S2000 and show you some exciting new products we have available. Don't go anywhere, guys, you don't want to miss it. It's 2022. I know what I want to be doing this year, and it's this.
Right guys, as always, we like to show you some new products. Well, these are stonkers, in my opinion. First up, let's start with this one. This is a paddle shift system, but not like no other paddle shift system, because it's also Bluetooth and it has our 8-channel wireless system on it. So you can have your indicators, lights, etc., start button, whichever you want to do in it, but it also has integrated these awesome carbon paddles. Now this is on a special at the moment, $8.69. First off out the bat here, looking at this, I think it's just going to sell like crazy, mainly because of what it does. If you're looking for electronic paddle shift and you want it, and it's available and it attaches your steering wheel all in one, that's F1 stuff right there on the dashboard, or on your steering wheel even. So $8.69. Next up in our new product range, £14.99. What a bargain. A nice little side pocket. It's elasticated. People have been asking about somewhere to store their phone, wallet, cash, etc., cards, a rag even maybe to clean your visor as you're going along. Well, this little side pocket, perfect for fitting down in your side footwell there. £14.99. Got those in stock, and it fits over there, or you can actually fit it behind the seat behind you as well. Nice easy little product. Very lightweight. Not going to add weight either, and that's what we like. Right, back on to the little paddle shift system we spoke about a second ago. Just wanted to show you the difference really. As you know, this is standard go-to affair from Flat Shifter. A little billet one, which is perfectly adequate, but it does have the cord which has to attach all in the dashboard here. Which can, you know, get in the way sometimes, or if you want to take your steering wheel off as a quick release, whereas this system is designed to bolt on and take off as one unit, as this little Bluetooth device behind it. So you've got both of those. It's slightly wider on the paddles as well here. If you look at the two, it's a good 30mm wider. So giving you a little bit more finger space behind it, and a very, very nice feel to it, as you can hear that clicking away and the difference on the two. So this system's available first out of the box, but we can also still do the original billet one as well. Right guys, out in the workshop, it is hashtag Nigel's car here with the S2000. Well, there's been some changes in the last week, as you can see. First one is the engine is in. So all painted gloss black. We've got to rocker cover to finish. This was a donor engine that was supplied by the customer. It's all been gone through. We'll do this very, very last. It's going to be orange with black. And that's the theme on this car, orange and black. So that has all gone in. We've got the pedal box in. Clutch lathe is in, all the steering column with a quick release boss is in, radiators on the front, just got the oil cooler to mount on the front, which you use our standard kit. It's got a nice big fan, it's got a 12-inch 120-watt fan on there as well, so that should be able to kick out some juice for it as well. Billet pedal box, you know, is in, all the carbon centre tunnel is in, moving into the centre. As you can see, the only change is the tilt shift on the 6-speed gearbox there for the S2000, which is a stock gearbox, and the pop shaft is in, all bolted in. It's a modified S2000 one to a forward rear axle. Handbrake lever's in with our little switch for the handbrake warning light. That's all in, cables all attached. Moving on to the back, as you know now, so all the rear end's done, diff's in. It's got a 3.9 LSD in here, brand new drive shafts, Protect shops, Indy RR, so it's all rose jointed, Sierra calipers, solid 253mm discs on the back. And in this little box was a present he gave to us, because it's black and orange theme, is his Willwood calipers that he's had then custom painted, which is some logos to go on here, that he's had custom painting which are going to go on the front. Looking rather spiffing, I will say, so something a little bit different. So be keen to get all that together, but I think we're actually making him some custom braided hoses now, because we've attached these, but they're going to be orange as well, because he wants the whole theme to be gone through the car. So it's going to be interesting to see how it pans out. So next up is start fitting the body panels. Right, chassis time, guys. Another chassis landed here. This is for Mr. CM. You know who you are. It's having a CBR 1000 RR engine going in here. So that's going to be a right screamer. Looking forward to seeing that thing getting built. But also up here will be the chassis register, whichever side we're going to put that up there for you. So you can see where you're going in the queue and what's coming out next. So interesting, but this is on the table because we're going to be doing brake lines, fuel lines, pedal box and floor pan fitment ready for Charles, so gets his project started for him. As I say, it's an option we can offer you if you're looking for that service, or if you want to build every component yourself, of course you're welcome to do that. Right, don't forget about the new products, the old paddle shift going on there, and the new little side pocket thing as well. They're available. If you're not sure, you want to pick up the phone or message us about it and give them the information, quite happy to help you there. Don't forget it's competition time at MK Sportscars. Right guys, it's competition time here at MK Sportscars.
And if you want to be in with a chance to win over £500 worth of goods, there's a year subscription to Complete Kitcar magazine.
A £200 track day voucher, courtesy of Javelin Track Days.
An MK Sportscars branded jacket, t-shirt and cap.
And a whopping £200 gift voucher to spend in our online web shop.
For your chance to win this fantastic prize worth over £500,
simply follow the guidelines below.
1. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
2. Like and comment on our Facebook competition post.
3. Share this competition post.
And now for the legals.
The winner will be selected at random. Closing date for this competition is 15th of January 2022, so you better get your skates on.
Good luck, guys. Right, that's it for this week, guys. Wrapping up the show. Don't forget, like and share, as we said, enter the competition, and we'll catch you next week.